Hi, we have a 10-year-old Miele Premier W500 washing machine that has the rinse light flashing and has stopped working. Any ideas?
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years and currently work for a well-known manufacturer. The rinse light flashing is a fault on the motor circuit. Now it's more than likely worn carbon brushes in the motor that's the fault here. To fix this, you need to open up the washer and access the motor at the bottom. The carbon brushes are in the back plate of the motor. This will come off the back end of the motor and you can access them from there. If worn, then you need to replace them. Now, Miele washers are not the easiest to work on and the motor is very heavy on them, so just be careful when removing it if you are going to do it yourself. But the fault the washer is showing is a motor-related fault, I'm afraid. Regards.
Thanks, Daniel. The brushes were replaced 2 years ago. Are they likely to have worn in that time? The machine is nearly 10 years old now. Is it worth the investment to repair, or should we class this as terminal? Bob?
Hi, okay, if the brushes were replaced 2 years ago, then they won't have worn from wear and tear. If the motor armature wears, it can cause the carbons to wear faster, so in this case it would need a new motor. Other than the brushes, it can be the motor itself at fault or one of the control boards, as there are a few boards in there. You need to inspect them and see if any have signs of burning on there. But motors and control boards are very expensive on Miele appliances and can sometimes be cheaper to replace it than fix them. And at 10 years old, that's not bad, as Miele washers don't last as long as they used 2 years ago, I'm afraid. Regards.
Thanks for your help, Daniel. Looks like it's a trip to the dealers.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.